Assalamualaikum YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is Saber, and today for you guys I'm going to do another fitted hat video review. It's been a few weeks now since I did my last fitted hat pickup video, so I bought a bunch more hats ever since then, and now that I got them all in hand at the moment of what I picked up, I'm going to show them off for you guys. And as always, before you guys continue to watch this video, please make sure you hit the like button for me and the subscribe button for me. I'd appreciate you do that. But with all that being said though, let's start with the very first pickup for you guys. And the first pickup that I got was probably my favorite pickup of the whole bunch, or maybe my second favorite, and that is going to be the Hat Club Ox Pack Pittsburgh Pirate, Mac Miller inspired, from the Kids album or mixtape, I believe. And this is a great hat right here. This is probably one of the best hats from the Ox Pack, and I was able to hit the restock that Hat Club did exclusively on Network app, and the release was kind of okay. It was whatever. There was a lot of complaints for it, but thankfully that I was still able to hit on this hat right here. And this is a beautiful hat with the all over creamish stone crown right here, that beautiful Pittsburgh Pirates logo right here with the green, the blue, the red outline. We have a red brim and then green UV. And then on the side we have our 2006 All-Star Game patch, looking really beautiful as well. So this is the first pickup I got here from Hat Club. Again, very beautiful hat, and probably one of the best Ox Pack Hat Club hats out there, along with the Kanye graduation inspired Cubs as well. So glad to get this one. The next pickup that I got is going to be from Topperzstore, and I was able to hit a restock on their Milwaukee Brewers two-tone cream and tannish brown hat right here. Now this is a beautiful hat. I was so upset when I didn't pick up this hat the very first time that I dropped. Really mad that I sold it, but I'm glad that Pat was able to do a restock on this hat, and I was able to get that restock ASAP because this is such a beautiful hat. On the side patch here, we got the 2002 All-Star Game Brewers patch, which in my opinion is one of the best All-Star Game side patches you could get out there right now. And then we got the tan brim right here. We have our red UV right underneath. So again, this is such a beautiful hat. Super glad to have it, and definitely can't wait to rock this one soon for sure. The next hat that I picked up is going to be from Anthem Shop out in Canada, and with this one, this is another restock that I actually was able to get from them, and it's another one that when I first didn't pick it up, I was kind of upset I didn't get it, but I'm glad they restocked it, and that is going to be the Montreal Expos cross script Expos hat right here. That's such a beautiful cross script right here that just says Expo in this very nice stone and navy colorway. Not a combination that you see every single day, so I'm really glad to pick this one up because I have a bunch of navy Jordans and sneakers out there that I can definitely utilize and put in fits with this specific hat right here. On the side we have our little Montreal side patch right here. Not a side patch I've seen too much. I think this is not even All-Star Game patch. This is basic simple Montreal Expos Club baseball patch right here. On the back we have a flat Batterman, and on the bottom the UV is very nice textured grayish UV. It's in a different material than a typical UV is made out of. I think it's a wool, if I'm not mistaken, but that is also very nice. It just makes the hat a lot more unique than it already looks. But again, that front logo on the cap, the Expos cross script, and the white outline with the navy hint just makes this pop, and it's just such a beautiful hat in my opinion. So I'm super glad to get this one. The next two pickups I'm going to show you guys actually from a collection. Pro Image Sports in the New Jersey Philly area released a Teen Titans inspired collection, and I picked up two hats from that collection. So the first hat being the Houston Astros Starfire inspired cap right here, as well as the Montreal Expos Raven inspired fitted right here as well. So let's start off with the Starfire one here really first. So the Starfire one is the Houston Astros colorway. As you guys can see, it's pretty much this all over peach hat right here, and that front logo is super beautiful. We have Houston Astros embroidered in purple, and then the star here is of this like nice lavender color with a white outline. So this is a logo that's kind of a little bit hyped. I know the Houston Astro hypes in general just sell out all the time. Astros logo is just one of the really popular ones right here. And then for the side patch, we have the 35th anniversary side patch, and it's in this purple green color, primarily with a green outline and then with a little bit of white. It does say Colt 45 Astros 1962 to 1996. So that is a really beautiful, really nice looking side patch. And the UV, again, is this lavender UV. The hook to this is not too bad in my opinion. It does remind me of Starfire a little bit. Starfire's primarily colors in that Teen Titans show is definitely purple for her outfit, and then her powers do have green in it. That's why you have the green side patch on the side here a little bit. But yeah, overall I think it's a good patch and a good hook to the hat, and just a very nice hat in general. Then the next one I grabbed was the Montreal Expos Raven inspired. Now this might be my favorite out of the entire collection because I just like the simplicity of this hat right here, and I just love the way that the logo is right here. We have the gold outline, we have the purple, red, gray Montreal Expos logo, we have a purple UV as well, as you guys can see, and on the side patch we have the Olympic Stadium's Montreal Expos side patch. That is a great looking side patch right here. And on the back, again, another flat batterman right there. And overall for this hat as well, I just like it a lot because the hook is amazing. Raven's colors are not that hard to really pretty much match. It's pretty much a dark purple and black color scheme going on, and it's just such a simple hat and something you can wear pretty much every day almost. So that's why I like this hat a lot. But those are my two pickups from Pro Image in the New Jersey Philly area. And now for my final pickup, it's going to be from Corporate Gotham, all the way out in Cincinnati, Ohio, and also in Indiana. They also have a store location there, and that is going to be the Baltimore Orioles hat. This is inspired by crab cakes, of course, and this is a great looking hat. That O's logo, in my opinion, is probably one of the more underrated logos used, and I like this logo a lot. Pretty simple and plain. We have a red crown, as you guys can see. We have a nice dark brown brim. Our O's logo is this nice orange with a black outline. And our side patch here is going to be the 50th anniversary 1970 World Champs Baltimore Orioles logo, or side patch, excuse me, as you guys can see right here. And again, the UV is this nice gray UV. And I personally think for this hat, if they had a gray UV, it'd be a much better hat, but still overall, super dope hat in my opinion. We have the Hat Club exclusive pin as well to go with it, and I think he killed on this design. Corporate, in my opinion, is just very underrated. I think it's a great place to get hats from, and this is another banger from them right here as well. Super fire, and the crab cakes hook is super nice as well. So that's pretty much all the pickups though I have for you guys. Nice little clip here. I'm gonna put these hats all together for you guys and show you all in total. Bang bang right there. That's all the hats I have right here. So please let me know in the comments below what you guys do think of my most recent hat pickups. What's your favorite from the pickups that I had here? Tell me what you like the best, and let me know in the comments below. Also, again, like I said before, please make sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit the like button for me. I truly appreciate that. And with all that being said though, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.